Before I had a chance to get some driving video with the turbo on there, the fuel pump quit, or the lift pump. I was using the lift pump in the tank, the original Metro pump, and I guess it just gave up. It keeps blowing the fuse. So what I'm going to do is put this little Edelbrock diesel fuel pump in there, use some hose and run it to the bottom of the tank. Just take the pump completely out of the tank and mount this external somewhere. Haven't figured that out yet. First I gotta get under there, and it's all wet and snowy and nasty in here from working on the dozer. Go in there, drop the tank down, get the pump out, get the hose run, and then figure out where that pump's gonna go. So I'll go ahead and get the tank out now. I got the fuel pump and sending unit out, took the fuel pump and sock off, and just put a piece of hose there, because those little pumps like that, they can push quite a ways, but they don't like to pull, so they got to be close, and you don't want it trying to pull through the old pump. So it's got a piece of hose on there, got it zip tied up. You can see I did a test to make sure it's sitting in the fuel, and the tank's almost empty, and it's got fuel all the way up there, so it should be good on that. I just got to put that back in and then work on running the wires to the other pump and mounting the other pump. I haven't figured out where it's going to go yet, but it's part of the process. Alright, I got the sending unit and pickup all back in. I've got new wires ran. I just doubled up the ground, because it's the ground for the sending unit and the pump. And then add the power wire I can connect underneath the vehicle where they were connected before, and then ran them along this tube down out over here where the fuel pump's going to be, somewhere, I don't know, over here underneath the car. I've got extra wire there, so whenever I figure it out, I got plenty to hook it to. And yeah, now I just got to throw the tank back up in there and figure out where this pump's going to go. Alright, got the other fuel pump installed. It's not the greatest, I guess, with hanging down a little bit, but basically all I had to do is take the fuel filter out from the factory fuel filter. I was able to use the fuel filter's mounting bolt to hang that off of, and then this actually comes with its own little filter, and it's nice and easy to get to there, so if it gets clogged up I'll be able to replace it. And just looped back around to the other fuel hose, and she's working. Alright, so we'll just turn the key on here. You can hear it back there buzzing. I just need to zip tie those wires up and get this back down level, and then should be able to start it right up.